A closed-up home, throughout the winter, leads to stale, dirty, and germ-filled air. The whole house fan pushes stale air outside, while drawing in clean outside air to freshen the air throughout your home. Just in time for the holidays, get your energy-saving whole house fan and enjoy the clean fresh air and lower energy bills throughout the year. The Whole House Fan Company will install the revolutionary whole house ventilation systems, quietly replacing the air in your home at a rate of 15 to 20 times per hour. This results in healthier air quality and a drop in air conditioner usage by 50 to 90%. So, stop wasting money on your air conditioner and enjoy a cool and comfortable home all day long. Get your most advanced whole house fan today and save up to $300 off on installation through Thanksgiving special. Bigger savings are waiting for you. Grab it now because this promo is limited time only. Visit whfan.com today and schedule your free in-home estimate.